In this video, I'll show you how to add a shine out text animation, a clean and elegant effect that gives your text a glossy exit. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile. From the bottom toolbar, tap on text, then tap add text and type the text you want to animate. Next, go to the font tab and choose a font that complements this effect. Clean, bold, or modern fonts usually work best for shine-based animations. Once your text is ready, tap on the Animation tab. Now switch to the Out section, which controls how the text leaves the screen. Scroll through the animations and select Shine Out. As soon as you apply it, you'll see a bright shine sweep across the text as it fades away. In CapCut Mobile, text animations are applied directly to the text layer, so there's no need to add any extra layers or effects. To control the speed of the shine, use the duration slider, drag it to the left for a slow, cinematic shine out, or drag it to the right for a faster and snappier exit. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing so it blends smoothly with your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a shine out text animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut mobile text animation tutorials.